What's going on, fellas? Dan here. Took a little time off, was in south of France, enjoying the nice weather out there. Now back at home, ready to make some new videos for you guys. If you've been paying attention to Bitcoin and your margin trading, the last 24 hours has been pretty crazy. We saw a massive dump in Bitcoin from right around 6,400 or just above 6,500, now sitting at 6,187. So if you're margin trading, this was a great opportunity to get a short position in. Ethereum also dumped. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, most of the top coins are seeing red today. So you could see Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything except for Tether is seeing red, some of them over 10%. So XRP also dumped pretty hard, over 12%. So these are great opportunities to get involved in margin trading, and the easiest way to get started is on BitMEX. And we have a pretty large, quickly growing group of BitMEX traders. I'll leave the link for you guys just below this video so you can get access to that. It's absolutely free, and we do have a premium channel as well where you can get signals and get live entry, exit targets, stop losses, so that you can take advantage of these massive swings that we saw yesterday. So we're at the 1-year support level right now, and we'll see where it goes from here. If we do tip under this support, then we're probably going to see into the 5K range. So don't wait on this. Don't sleep on this. At the end of the day, if you're one of those people who are hesitant about getting into Bitcoin, you're panicking all the time, then maybe this isn't right for you. But don't avoid taking advantage of something that could potentially make you millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, or potentially replace your day job if you commit to learning the charts and becoming an experienced trader. Now, we have all the resources put together for you. Again, just click the link below this video. Join our free Telegram group, get access to the premium signals if you want to trade this market, and make sure that you commit to taking advantage of the boom that we're going to see in this technology. Long term, we're still trending way up, and despite these large red candles you can see right here, we are in a bear market right now, but the bull market will return. So take advantage of the resources I have just below this video for you. Make sure to pound that subscribe button. And we got a new episode of Barstool Bitcoin podcast coming up for you, hot and ready tomorrow morning. So pound that subscribe button, be first to hear about new content posted, and make sure to join our Trading Signals group so that you can get analysis on BTC and prosper for yourself. Thanks for watching the video, boys. See you in the next one.